If you want to set up a VPN on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then in that case, first of all, we can open settings on our phone. Then over here, we should be able to go to connections. And then in this menu, we have more connection settings. This is where we want to go. Over here, we should be able to find the VPN option. And then here we can create a VPN profile in order to, well, to connect to a VPN server. However, you need to have all of these different data, all of that information to be able to create a VPN network. So this is pretty much manually adding a VPN connection onto your smartphone. And in case you don't have any information whatsoever about a VPN connection, if you cannot manually add a VPN connection, then of course, in that case, we can use a VPN app instead, which allows you to just simply connect to a VPN with usually with a button. So in that case, we're gonna go to the Play Store, and of course, we need to find a VPN app for ourselves. Usually you can just type VPN in the search option in the search menu over here in order to find a bunch of different VPN apps. And of course, you can probably use them as you wish. I mean, you can just try out all of them, maybe not at once, but of course one after another in order to find out which one you like the most. They usually have a pretty similar offer, or they allow you to do similar things. However, you can probably notice small differences here and there. Of course, most of the time, the best way to use these VPN apps is by having the premium account or something like that, or just pay for a subscription, of course. But many of these apps also allow you to use the VPN for free. Of course, as a result, you don't have access to every feature, but of course, the main feature, that is having a VPN connection, is of course available. In my case, I'm gonna install this app over here. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how to use it, which is very straightforward. We're gonna open it, and like I said, feel free to try anything else in case you don't like this app, or maybe if it doesn't work for you for some reason. So once we open the app, thankfully we don't have to even create an account to be able to use the VPN. So over here we can just tap on continue as guest. Then you might be able to find the premium offer, which I mentioned before, which we can of course close by just tapping on not now over here. After that, you should be able to connect to a VPN network. Over here you will find the connect button, and you will be connected to a random server. Unfortunately, in the case of this specific VPN app, you cannot choose which country you want to connect to. You just have access to a random available server. You can of course change the server if you want to. Here we can see to which country we have been connected to. But in case you want to choose a specific country, then in that case you have to actually buy the premium. But I know that there are some other VPN apps that actually allow you to choose at least some of the countries completely for free, so you can of course check them out if that's what you care about. And of course, we can also check out settings for the app in case you want to check something, if you want to make some small adjustments here and there to make sure that the app works exactly as you want it to work. And that is essentially everything. Leave a like and subscribe.